over natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We're back into positive MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. We bounced right off the 50 moving average, this yellow line, at a price of $6.37. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD. We did see it converge once again, and we're at overbought levels with the RSI. And as with the daily chart, we are in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $19.93, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $23.39. My stop loss is at $18.76. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.25. My sell target is at $21.23, and my stop loss is at $25.20. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. And as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 40% chance to climb between 0 to 10%, a 20% chance to climb between 10 to 20%, and to the downside, a 20% chance to fall between 0 to negative 10%, and a 20% chance to fall between negative 10 to negative 20%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.